Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get Lina's badge on Dress to Impress. To get the badge, you'll need to first finish the quest already because you'll need to be wearing the necklace that you got from the reward, which is this one here. You can use it in any outfit, but just make sure you have the necklace on. Then you're going to save your outfit. Once you're done, you're going to teleport to the quest here. And you'll need to finish the first part first. That makes sense. You'll need to wear your outfit here. Okay, so I have the outfit on already. And I'm just going to go to this part, story 1. And I already have a video on the first parts, so I'm not going to show you guys, but I'll be right back when I get the badge, like the actual tutorial on it. Okay, so in this room, instead of going up to get the key, you're going to turn right and you're going to press open and you're going to run, okay? You're going to run and you're going to follow the blood trail. You're almost there. And you get the Lina 2 badge. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!